lost puppy. What's wrong, little one? Why are you all alone? You're not hurt, are you? You don't have a collar. Where is your owner? Excuse me, is this your puppy? He seems lost.
No, he's not mine. Poor thing looks a bit lonely, though. Maybe someone is looking for him. You should check near the playground. That's where most people with dogs are.
Thanks. I'll take him there and see if anyone recognizes him. Maybe your owner is here, little guy. Let's take a look.
Wow, what a cute puppy. What's his name?
He's not mine. I just found him under a tree, and I'm trying to find his owner.
I think I saw a lady looking for a dog earlier. This might be her dog.
Oh, okay. Thanks. I can't find your owner. I think I should take you to the animal shelter. Maybe they can help you.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I found this puppy in the park, and I think he might be lost. I didn't see anyone around who seemed to be looking for him.
Let me take a look and see if we have any reports about a missing puppy. Actually, someone called this morning about a missing puppy. It sounds like it could be him. I'll give them a call.
Oh my goodness, there you are.
Is this your puppy?
Yes. His name is Max, and he ran off this morning while we were in the park. I've been looking everywhere for him. I was so worried.
I'm glad I found him. He was just lying under a tree, looking really sad. I couldn't leave him there.
You're a lifesaver. I can't thank you enough. Max is part of the family, and we've been heartbroken, thinking he was lost for good.
I'm just happy he's back where he belongs. He's such a sweet little dog. Dinner disaster. Tom, what should we make for our guests tonight? We need something easy and tasty.
How about pizza and vegetable soup? I can make the soup, and you can handle the pizza.
Great idea. I'll start with the pizza dough.
What vegetables should I put in the soup?
How about carrots, potatoes, and celery? Maybe we can also add some green beans.
That sounds good. I'll chop them up first and then start with the soup base. What toppings are you thinking for the pizza?
I'm thinking of using tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, mushrooms, and maybe some green peppers. What else should we add?
You could throw in some olives and pepperoni. That would be perfect.
Sure, I'll add them. Whiskers, you already had your dinner. There's still food in your bowl. You can't eat this. It's not good for you.
He always does this when we cook. He loves the smell of food. The soup needs to simmer for 20 minutes. After that, it'll be done.
The pizza will be ready soon, too. Everything smells so good.
Well, everything looks perfect. The food is ready and the guests should be here soon.
Let's go upstairs and get ready before they arrive.
Our guest could be here any minute. Let's get the table ready.
Oh no! Whiskers! What have you done?
Our dinner is gone. What are we going to do now?
The guests are here. Hi, Emma. Hi, Jack. So glad you could make it.
Hey guys, thanks for having us.
How was your day?
Pretty good. We were just excited for tonight. How about you?
Well, we were doing fine until Whiskers decided to have his own dinner.
What do you mean?
Whiskers ate all the food while we were getting ready. Sorry, guys.
That's so funny. Don't worry, we can go to a restaurant.
There's a new restaurant nearby that just opened. The food is amazing. Let's all go there.
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
We'll have to lock the kitchen next time to keep Whiskers out. And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.